Hi, I am Vimal Ashwath. The least value of the function f of x equal to ax plus b by x, a greater than 0, b greater than 0, x greater than 0 is. So the least value of the function. To find the least value of the function, first you find f dash of x. First you find f dash of x. So first ax. Ax is a. Then here 1 by x. B you have to keep like this 1 by x. So minus 1 by x square. So a by b x square. Next to find the critical points, you have to keep f dash of x equal to 0. F dash of x equal to 0 implies a minus b by x square equal to 0. So what is a? A equal to b by x square. So now x square equal to b by a. X square equal to b by a. So x equal to plus or minus square root of b by a. So now I substitute the values, that is x values in f of x. So first I substitute f of x equal to plus b by a. So if I substitute plus b by a, plus root of b by a, that is f of root of b by a. That is equal to a into root b by a plus b into b by root b by a. So that is you have to take LCM. So here b by a. So a can cancel. So here b plus b divided by root b by a. So what you get is 2b divided by root a divided by b. So this is the answer. Now suppose it is minus. If I substitute minus, then f of minus root b by a, what you get is here minus, therefore minus b, minus this one plus minus b plus b, it is 0, therefore it is 0. So it is asked to find the least value. So it is 2b into root of a by b is the least value of this function. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.